name is Delita Grandy, and I'm an associate with Feldstein Family Law Group. In this session, I'll be discussing how the amount of spousal support is determined, and specifically, how it is determined for high-income earners. High-income earners are those individuals who earn an income of $350,000 or higher. Many family law practitioners would probably agree that the entitlement to spousal support is one of the most fluid areas in family law, and there's a large amount of judicial discretion in this area. However, once entitlement to spousal support has been established, the issue of determining the amount or the quantum of spousal support is much less fluid. And this is because of the Spousal Support Advisory Guidelines, or the SAG as we call them in the family law, which were adopted by the Court of Appeal in the case of Fisher v. Fisher in 2008. The Spousal Support Advisory Guidelines essentially takes the factors considered in determining the entitlement for spousal support, such as the length of the relationship, the income of the parties, and calculates a specific range of support that should be paid by a payor spouse. It's important to note that because the Spousal Support Advisory Guidelines are not legislated or mandatory in law by any means, judges do have some discretion to diverge from the SAG. However, it seems that as a result of the Fisher case, virtually all courts are now at least referring to the SAG in their spousal support decisions, and diversions from the guidelines generally only occur in unique circumstances. The SAG includes special provisions for high-income earners and specifies a ceiling of $350,000. Essentially, if a support payer earns this amount or more, the core formula gives way to a lot more judicial discretion. In effect, for payers making an income of or higher than $350,000, the standard fixed percentage of income formula can be varied, meaning the support payer would be paying a lesser percentage of his or her overall income in spousal support. Despite the fact that the SAG clearly permit variation from the guidelines for incomes over that $350,000 ceiling, the case law on this issue actually suggests that where payor's income is close to the $350,000 ceiling, judges are hesitant to diverge too far from the guidelines. The factors that a court will consider in determining the appropriate amount of support are the amount of support the recipient should receive under the guidelines, the recipient's budget, the condition, means, needs, and circumstances of each spouse, whether the payor is also paying child support, and the duration of the relationship. However, where a payor's income is far in excess of the ceiling, the courts seem to rely more heavily on the recipient's budget, looking more to the recipient's needs. However, the court still has discretion to follow the guidelines outlined in the SAG if they deem appropriate to do so. If you require further information regarding your rights and obligations as a support payer or recipient, please contact us to schedule a consultation at 905-415-1636. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation, and I hope that you found it helpful. For more information about spousal support, please also visit our website at www.separation.ca.